Nobody likes to see a check engine light on their dashboard. This could indicate a minor problem with the car or a serious problem that can affect the performance of the car, which could regrettably lead to an accident. I got this check engine light in this 2014 Toyota Highlander, which resulted from a dirty mass airflow sensor. It triggered a fault code P0102, and I'm going to go through the process of resolving this issue. If you find this video helpful, please give a like and subscribe. And remember to hit that notification bell for future videos. The first thing to do when a check engine light appears on your dashboard is to have it scanned with a scan tool. There are several options to perform this scan. You can purchase your own scan tool with basic features, or you can buy a Bluetooth scan tool, but you will need an app on your phone to operate that scan tool. Or you can simply take your car to most auto parts store like O'Reilly or AutoZone to have your car scanned for free. In my case, I have a Bluetooth scanner that I purchased on Amazon, and I use an app called Torque Pro, which is available on the Play Store or App Store. I will put a link in the description below as to how to use this Bluetooth OBD2 scanner, and I will also put a link in the description as to where you can purchase this scanner. In my case, I got code P0102, which is a fault with the mass airflow sensor. So I pop the hood to locate the sensor, and the sensor is normally located where the intake is. It is always between the throttle body and the engine air filter. I resolved this problem by only cleaning the air filter, and I will take you through the process. Before cleaning the mass airflow sensor, check the wire harness that connects to the sensor to see if it's loose or broken. That wasn't the case here. To remove the mass air sensor, disconnect the wire harness and use a Phillips screwdriver to remove 2 bolts that hold the mass airflow sensor in place. And this is the inner section of the mass airflow sensor. To clean the mass airflow sensor, you have to use a special cleaner specifically made to clean mass airflow sensor. Any other spray solution will damage the mass airflow sensor, so you have to use this one. You can get these to buy at any Walmart or auto store. I will put a link in the description below. The main parts of the sensor are some small wires in the sensor that get dirty from time to time. Some of the wires are located right there, and another wire is located right there. That's where the wire harness is connected, and I won't be cleaning that area. And this area is empty, there's nothing in there, but I will clean it anyways. It is very important to avoid touching these sensor wires. They are very sensitive and can easily be damaged. The sensor wires should be cleaned by only spraying with the mass airflow sensor cleaner. So I went ahead and sprayed the heck out of the mass airflow sensor. You can see the mess on the ground there. So I just used the airflow sensor cleaner to spray the small wires until they are very clean and there's no evidence of any dirt or dust on them. And you can leave this to dry for 35 to 40 minutes. Pop it back in your car and reconnect your wire harness. Now you can use your scanner to reset your code, or if you do not have a scanner, you do not need to go back to the auto parts store. You can disconnect the negative terminal of your battery in your car for 5 minutes and then reconnect, and that will erase the code. You can also do not erase the code and drive the car around for a day to allow the computer of the car to run a cycle, and if the problem is fixed, the code will go away, and that is a good confirmation that the problem was resolved. But in my case, I used my Bluetooth scanner to clear the code and the problem never returned. If you find this video helpful, please give a like and subscribe, and remember to hit that notification bell for future videos. See you on the next one, guys.